Hello everyone! During this video we would like to show you detailed process of renovation project carried out by our team in Lytham, St. Anne's, United Kingdom. We have started from demolition till final decoration completion. You can see here how window bay metal lining being built using method of stud wall. Most complicated in this job was to set octagonal window bay to equal sizes and form top and bottom in one line. Here we have already done wall lining with insulation. This wall is a party wall and we have fit vapor barrier for better temperature control in the room. Boarding has started. Due to party wall requirements, we have boarded it with double skin boards. Using fireline wasn't necessary, but because we have some left from boarding fire protected ceilings, we have decided to use it on our first skin, and second skin was 15mm DB boards from Senior brand. Chimney breast was boarded with two skins of fireboards. The reason for it is real wood burner installation during later stage. In future, we would recommend using cement boards in areas like this. During boarding, very important to fit on the joint flat strap or flat plate. It could be called differently, depends where do you work. Also, we have been doing mastic seal to perimeter of every wall, top, bottom and all internal corners. This could help with air seal and also reduce cracking in future. As you can see, another wall lining is being boarded now. Here we don't have insulation because this is internal wall lining, and as per client's request we are not fitting insulation to all internal linings. Another wall lining in the lounge partially being insulated and vapor control layer was fitted due to back of this wall is part of a communal lobby. As you can see, this part of a party wall was boarded with two skins of boards, where double skin wall becoming single skin. Back to window bay, insulating it with 100mm Rockwool insulation, which will give you sun protection and temperature control in future. Very important to make interior plans prior boarding, so you can fit mattresses. And again, back to vapor barrier installation to window bay with double-sided tape. Very important while fitting VCL is to pick correct overlap, which should be about 150mm, or it could be vary, depends on manufacturer requirements. Boarding to octagonal window bay is not very easy job. Need to use laser and sure foam nearly on every board. Also to joint boards on angles, you need to cut correct angle from boards every time. Using electrical tools helping you with detailed cuts. A lot of measuring, sometimes 2 or more times to fit boards to these existing window frames. Mastic seal to all inner junctions and internal corners of boards. Please be aware that no mastic must be left on the finished board, otherwise it would be a problem when you get to plastering of these areas. Very important to keep screw centers at least 300mm. As you can see, fire protected ceiling has been already fire taped and sealed. This is MF ceiling type, which is used on nearly every project nowadays. It consists from MF6, MF7, MF5 and hangers. Insulation has been fitted, including mattresses, and we are ready to board ceiling. Boarding ceiling requires correct screw centers. We use 7 screws on the ends and 6 screws everywhere else on a full width boards. Perimeter being sealed with intumescent acoustic mastic. Finally, we are ready to show you result of our work, final decorations completion. To be honest, it took a while for whole renovation process starting from back to brick demolition and what you can see now. As every construction project, this job was following stage in sequence. Drywall first fix, mechanical and electrical first fix, drywall second fix, plastering, mist coat and plaster snagging, joinery second fix including covings fitting, mechanical and electrical second fix, and the last, very important stage, final decorations. On this job we have used paint as per client's request. Ceilings Dulux Diamond White Matte, walls Farrow & Ball Estate Dimity, woodwork Dulux Satin Wood including Dulux Primer and Undercoat. Please like if you feel video was good and subscribe to see more videos in future.